Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix Elementor style layout in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page and when we hover on it, now you see layout is not good, but I check all CSS and styling. So there is no issue in custom CSS or other format. So this issue is occurred because of cache. Now go to dashboard. If your plugin is not updated, then update your plugin, and then on left side you see Elementor and then you see tools, so click on it, and then in tools you see regenerate CSS and data, and then you see button, so click on it, and then you see sync library, so again click on it, and then you see save changes, so click on it. Now settings saved, go to Elementor page again. Now you see layout, so refresh the page. If you are using any cache plugin, then you can remove cache from the plugin setting, and then you see layout is good. When we hover on it, so just click on regenerate files and data, sync library, and then click on save changes and your issue will be fixed. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.